Dublin's all been done now, the sun is going down. Tomorrow there'll be an Irish army marching in the town. MacNeil has just refused them his backing for the fight, but the leading men have just resolved to go prepare tonight. I'm a messenger boy from St. Enda's, too young for a soldier's part. They say I haven't got the years, but I know of a soldier's heart. I'll run throughout the frenzied streets with news from the battle scene. I'll be a link for the rebel men, be a bridge between the streams. Dublin burns. There's thousands docked to Queenstown, and now they're on the march for a rendezvous at Beggar's Bush before the shooting starts. The rebels are on Mount Street, hidden on the banks, with rifles at the Grand Canal to attack them from both flanks. The city she is smoking, the embers are aglow. People cower in the streets, just hiding from the blow. Many blame the Shinners for the new distress, while others fan the growing flames rising in their chest. Dublin burns, smoke from the pyre goes over the city. Young men yearn for a day to be free in the city. City.